Welcome to this video about LeanBliss. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about this supplement, uncovering the truth behind it. So, stay with me until the very end of this video. Additionally, I have some crucial awareness and warnings that you must be aware of before actually making a purchase. However, if you watch this video until the end and feel you need more information, I've left the link to the official website just below in the description of this video. All you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link to go directly to their official website, where you can find comprehensive information. But remember to stay with me because the warnings and alerts will be available only in this video. Okay, so LeanBliss is a supplement designed to help people lose weight by targeting a root cause that many people may not be aware of, the high level of sugar in the blood. If you suffer from diabetes, high glucose levels, or any sugar-related problems, they could be the cause of your weight gain. Perhaps that's why you struggle to lose weight even with exercise and strict diets. LeanBliss aims to address this root cause by lowering sugar levels in your blood, leading to weight loss. Importantly, it does so in a healthy way as it is 100% natural, with no chemical composition in its formula, only natural, organic ingredients such as nutrients, vitamins, and proteins. You can feel confident taking it, as there's no need to worry about side effects or contradictions. It won't bring any harm, and anyone can take it. If you are looking to lose weight in a healthy way and don't know how, this supplement could be the solution for you. Check the official website for testimonials from people who have tried it and seen amazing results. Say goodbye to suffering and attempting ineffective diets. This supplement can genuinely help you from the inside out. Moreover, as it is 100% natural, it brings various benefits to your life, including lowering stress and anxiety, providing more energy and disposition throughout your day. The best part? It's not a capsule that you need to swallow. It's like a little candy that tastes like chocolate. Amazing! You can take it every morning with your breakfast or after your breakfast as a treat. For optimal results, follow the daily LeanBliss treatment for at least 3 months, but the complete treatment is recommended for 6 months. Despite all these benefits, if you're still hesitant about buying it, there's an extended guarantee of 180 days. You can test it for 6 months, and if you don't see any results, simply go to the official website, contact the support team, and request a refund. They will give you 100% of your money back. Can you believe that? You're safe with this guarantee, protected by it, so you have nothing to lose. However, I have an important alert to share with you. The only place where you can buy the original LeanBliss is on their official website. It's not available in drugstores or other websites. Remember that, and to assist you, I'll leave the link just below in the description of this video. That is the only link where you can buy the original LeanBliss. Keep this in mind to safeguard your money. With that information, I wanted to express my gratitude for watching this video until this point. Thank you so much.